This morning we're going to have a look around this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom garden apartment. It's a bit windy outside this morning, so we'll head straight on inside so you can have a look around. We are on Patio Alcornocal, which is in the process of becoming a gated complex. They're just installing now new gates and fences around it. It's walking distance to a lot of amenities, a lot of cafes, restaurants, tennis club, bowling, golf, also the bus stop, taxis and the footbridge across to the beachside. So in here we've got a spacious living room as you enter, with a log burning stove, and there's also aircon in this room. As you can see, it's got lots of windows here. So it's a nice bright interior. We're south facing. Car parking right outside your door. Head through here to the kitchen. Again, good sized kitchen, plenty of room as you can see for a table for dining. Leads out onto the internal patio. Through here we'll start with the second bedroom. Currently used as a storage area, but you could easily get a double bed in here or 2 singles if you needed. Bathroom with a window. And this would be your master bedroom. Again, these owners have a single bed in here, but you could put a double in here, no problem. And here we have an ensuite shower room. Said before, it's a great location, really close walking distance to lots of amenities, so if you didn't want to drive, then it's super handy. It's also very flat, so anybody with mobility issues could live here quite comfortably. Easy wide access and no steps once you're inside at all.